What's going on, everybody? Tyrell here. If you like crypto, on this channel I bring together the fundamentals and the technicals to curate valuable information to help you on your journey. A free way to support the channel is to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. So let's get into the markets. Looking at the total crypto market cap, we're currently sitting at $2.432 trillion. So as I've mentioned in previous videos, this is the total amount of money in the crypto market according to TradingView, which is a platform that I use to look at the charts and put stuff on the chart, such as lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs, yada yada yada. Alright, for this episode I'm going to focus on three cryptos. So that is Ethereum, Aave, and Wi-Fi. And for full disclosure, I own each of these tokens, and this is not financial advice, and this is not speaking on behalf of another company or corporation or anything like that. This is my personal opinion. Alright, let's get into ETH. This thing is just flying. We bursted through the $4,000 resistance level, and we're currently sitting at $4,318, and $5,000 is within sight. So we'll see what's going to happen with this. I'm going to hold on to my Ethereum. What I do is I actually deposited my Ethereum onto Vault, so I'm earning like 6.5% interest back into Ethereum, so it's like compound interest squared. I will leave a link, referral link to Vault in case you wanted to earn interest in Ethereum as well. And the reason that I got into Ethereum is because I realized that this thing is going to be valuable, and the reason because is the entire ERC20 ecosystem is built upon Ethereum, right? So Ethereum is the foundational level, and then all the decentralized applications and NFT platforms are built using Ethereum, and you're going to need Ethereum to transact and do things on these applications. So just looking ahead, I would say like intrinsically Ethereum is going to be valuable. And that kind of plays into the other two cryptos that I wanted to talk about. First being Aave, which is a decentralized liquidity protocol, right? Let's go here. Open source, non-custodial liquidity protocol for earning interest on deposits and borrowing assets. All right. So I own some Aave. I bought the dip when the market dipped a couple weeks ago, and then I bought a little bit more because I think it's going to be a DeFi summer. Just that real quick. Yeah, I think it's going to be a DeFi summer, and it's going to disrupt traditional finance. When people have the autonomy to do things with their money to earn a higher yield compared to traditional finance, they should definitely do that, right? So price is currently sitting at $521 per Aave, and there's resistance at 525, but it may burst right through this, or it may come back down. I'm not sure. I just know in the long run, a platform that provides you higher yields than you can traditionally get is inherently going to be valuable, right? So let's look at Aave, the liquidity protocol. This is how much money is locked into Aave, right? How much money people deposit onto the platform. Now take, for example, USD coin, which is 1-to-1 with the US dollars. So for every USDC that is out there in circulation, there is $1 held in reserve that is, I would say, what is that called? Attested by Grant & Thornton, which is an accounting firm. So if you take your US dollars and you convert it into USDC and then you deposit it onto Aave, you could be earning 11.59% APY, 3.07% APR, right? Which is magnitudes higher than getting 0.01% interest in a traditional bank, which is stupid. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And at the same time, say you wanted to borrow money, right? You would be paying a 21.25% APR, which is still lower than getting a credit card and having to pay 22 to 25, maybe even 30% interest on using that credit card. So speculation here, there could potentially even be a credit card, like a credit card application of the DeFi protocol by people depositing money into this protocol, and then they issue credit cards, and then people are paying this type of APR on their credit card. Speculation. You could also see the other assets that you can deposit into. So if you had some Yearn or basic attention token, Kyber network, DAI, USDT, Gemini dollar, wrapped ETH, wrapped Bitcoin, you could be earning these type of yields onto Aave. And the last crypto that I wanted to talk about was Wi-Fi. This thing kind of just like took off. I bought some on Monday, or 2 days ago. So Sunday is when I usually do my dollar cost averages, and I only bought like $25 worth, but I probably should have bought more because look at this thing, it just like took off. Price is currently at $85,708, which is actually higher than Bitcoin, but that's only because there's less Wi-Fi tokens out there. And what this is, it's a yield aggregator. So this platform actually like crawls all the DeFi platforms out there and searches for the best strategies to earn the highest yields on your assets, and it does it for you automatically. So somebody like created this blockchain and put it out there for the world for people to use and benefit, which is pretty cool, honestly. Like there's like financial advisors that would take a lot from you to do that type of service for you. Yeah, let's look at Yearn.finance. I connected my wallet onto here just to see how this thing like operates, right? But say you deposit some ETH on here, you could be earning 2.81%, or some Wi-Fi, or some DAI, or some USDC. So this thing is an ERC20 token, just like Aave is, and that's built upon Ethereum. And you can deposit like USDC on here, earning 21.29%, which is magnitudes higher than depositing your cash at a traditional financial institution. And you also got like USDT, and this is really all like supply and demand. So if there's more demand than there is supply, then the interest rates that you're going to be getting is a lot higher, right? So it would be smart, and again, not financial advice, to take your cash and put it onto a platform like this where you're going to be earning a higher interest rate. Like, that just makes sense. And one of the added benefits of owning like a Wi-Fi token, so let me show you my Wi-Fi. So actually that's the wrong one. Yearn.finance transactions. So I bought some here. I don't know if you can see that. So I bought some at $54,000 for $25, currently at 56% at a current value of $38. I honestly should have bought more, but I didn't. You know what I mean? I split my dollar cost average among like 6 different assets, but the ethos was DeFi. I think it's going to be a DeFi summer, and with Yearn, what you can actually do with a Wi-Fi token is participate in its governance. So anything that's going to happen with the Yearn blockchain, you can actually have a say in that, right? So if they wanted to incorporate another strategy, or they wanted to burn some tokens, or they wanted to create some more tokens, you actually have a stake in what happens with the protocol. Granted, you're going to need a lot of Wi-Fi, but like that's one of the added benefits of owning some Yearn, which is pretty cool. They actually tweeted something. Our Y curve and Y3 curve vaults are migrating from version 1 to version 2 to earn you higher yield. So this is what they literally do. Like, that's their entire objective, to earn you a higher yield. And you just have to use the platform and know how to use the platform and know where to find their platform. right? So all of these opportunities exist within the cryptocurrency space, and yeah, I'm just here to show that to whoever watches. So I hope you guys found this information valuable. Once again, this is Tyrell. A free way to support this channel is to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.